I usually do not like when people say my name wrong, but today it's okay. You can say. Sorry. Didn't think I could do that in such an awesome way. Thank you. Shachimew. Oh, that's good. Is it? Is that good? Wait, what's my name? Shachimu? Shachimew. Yeah, that's good. Catchy. Shachimew. Like the pink thing. Like the pink one. The pink cat thing. Do you guys see Mew as a cat? Of course Mew is a cat. Wait, it's called Mew. Sorry, I want to see if I can do something. I want to see if I can adjust this. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Nope. Okay, smooth this way. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Nope. Up, 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 up. Oh my god, that's awesome. Okay. Here to stay is the new bird. Do 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 do.